In this problem, it says, are the two triangles congruent? If they are, state how you know. So again, there are 5 different ways to prove that triangles are congruent, all of which should be on your proof reason sheet, but I'm going to list them out here. Reason why I'm going to list them out is because I want you to realize one of these proof reasons or one of these answer choices is not a proof reason, and I'll talk a little bit more about it later. So I like to label whichever angles are congruent with an A, sides that are congruent with an S, and I like to focus on just one triangle. So I'm just going to look at this first triangle on the left-hand side here. I'll put an A by this angle, a side by this, or S by this side, and another S by this side. So because it has 2 S's and 1 A, not side, 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 2 S's, 1 A could be side angle side, 2 S's, 1 A could be hypotenuse leg if this was a right angle, but it's not. And these 2 on the bottom have 2 A's and 1 S. So the only one in question might be, is it side angle side? But I want you to realize if you look at this angle here, it has to be in between the 2 sides in order for it to be side angle side. So it's like, where are these 2 sides meeting? There's one side up here, and there's one side over here. I want you to realize that they meet at this corner down here. For it to be side angle side, you would need this angle to be congruent to the corresponding one. So unfortunately, this is also not a side angle side. In fact, a lot of you were like, oh, this is a side angle, and you chose this as your option. But I want you to realize side angle is not even one of the 5 options on your proof reason sheet because it's not a way to prove triangles are congruent. So you shouldn't even be thinking about this as a possibility because it's not a possibility to prove by any of these things. The answer should have been no, they are not congruent.